Do you ever wonder why some photos just stick with you, while others, even if they're technically perfect, feel kind of flat? The difference is story. Without a story, a photo is just a picture. With a story, it can make you feel something, and that's what makes it unforgettable. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire, and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Photography is about more than settings, sharpness, or even light. It's about communicating. Every great photo tells a story. It could be about a person, a moment, or even just a feeling. When you look at an image that makes you smile, gasp, or even tear up, that's storytelling. It's the connection between what you saw and how the viewer experiences it. And here's the thing, people will forgive a photo that's not perfectly sharp or slightly noisy if it nails the emotion. Remember, a photo without a story is just information. A photo with a story is an experience. So if you want your photos to stand out, don't just think about settings, think about the story too. Because the best photos don't just show something, they say something. And if you'd like to learn how to actually build stories into your images, I've got a full video here, 5 tips to tell better stories with your photography. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.